Hi, this is Rick Surowicz, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Rick Surowicz Watercolor. And this is the introductory video, if you will, for a series I'm doing of mini paintings. So I'm doing a series of 4 mini landscapes. And this is the first painting in the series I'm going to show you. So this is the first painting. It's a small painting, and that's the first one. These are just landscapes, simple landscapes designed to be just quick paintings. This is the second one, a little bit of a seascape. This is the third one, some pine trees and hillsides around a lake, kind of a mountain lake scene. And then just a little rural building. So these are all simple little paintings that you can do without a lot of time, hopefully have a little bit of fun with. And what I want to do to show you first is that I have the templates for these, and what I've done is I've set this up on my web site on my Learning Center page. At the top where I have my free content, one of my YouTube videos, I have an area where I've labeled projects. So if you click on that project page, what you're going to find will be reference photos of the 4 paintings and the templates and the videos themselves. And you'll find the links in the descriptions to these videos that will take you there. But I've set this up just to have a little bit of fun. I've done some Christmas cards in the past, and people seem to enjoy those simple little paintings rather than some of the more involved ones. So I've done 4 landscapes in this series. I'll have the templates there. And what I want to mention is that these are done on 5.5 by 7.5 inch pieces of paper, of watercolor paper. It's a 140-pound cold press. So it's basically, can't see the full sheet here, but this is a quarter sheet of watercolor paper. So taking a full sheet, which is a 22 inches by 30, quarter it and make it into quarters, which is what I often paint my demos on. So this is 11 inches by 15 inches. But what I've done is I've taken this into quarters, and it comes up with this size of a little painting. And the nice thing about that is, and you don't have to use a quarter sheet to get there, you can cut it out of anything you want to get to that size. The nice thing about that is you can get 8 by 10 mats that fit right over that size of a little painting, and it makes a nice little matted painting. And it's 8 by 10 mat, and you can put that in a frame. And on that project page, I have a link where you can get these mats on Amazon. Actually, you can get a little pack of 10, and this mat comes with a backing board, and actually comes with little bags you can put it in. So if you wanted to give somebody a gift, you could present this little painting in a little mat and put a little bag as a gift. And what you end up with is, what I do is I take linen tape and I hinge tape it, and then I'll mount my painting here on the mounting board with a hinge tape, and then you have a nice little mounted and matted piece. So you can do that with these all these little paintings from this series. You can just put these in here, get your mats. Let me get that in the camera shot. Not quite there. How about that? I'm not a product demonstrator, am I? But you can put your little painting in the frame, any of these, and put one more in here just to give you an idea, and you just have a nice little painting. So if you want to do something like that, the other thing I'll mention is, I know people enjoy when I've done the Christmas cards, but this is an example of one of those cards. You could also do these on some of this prefabricated cards that you can buy. And the template will be a little bit bigger, but you can just center it on there as you choose. You'll get most of it on there if you want to trace that template on there. And you can be able to put it on a card too if you want to do note cards or something. You could do that. So I've set this series up in that manner so that it's kind of a fun project. If you wanted to do it, there's a few paintings there you can do, and it's up to you if you wanted to, you know, put them in some little mats or do them on a kind of a note card format. But the idea there is to have a little bit of fun with it, and the links to the Learning Center page and the project page you'll find in the description of the video. So I hope you enjoy this and have a little bit of fun with it. But thanks for watching my channel.